Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can calculate mean, standard deviation and standard error in Microsoft Excel. Right over here you can see I have some random data for which I need to calculate these values. Let's calculate the mean first. Mean or average actually represents the sum of the total values divided by the total number of the values. Let's do this. Is equal average number. Let's select the numbers, close the bracket, enter, and that is the mean or average for these values. Standard deviation actually represents the spread of the values from the mean, how a value is spread out from the average value. Let's do it as well. Is equal STDEV. Again select the data, close the bracket, press enter, and that is the standard deviation for this data. Unfortunately, there isn't any standard formula for calculating the standard error. Anyway, we can make up one for ourselves. Let's put in standard error is actually standard deviation divided by square root of n, and n represents the number of values in your data set. Let's make that formula is equal standard deviation. Let's choose the values divided by square root of n. Let's put SQRT and n. If you have fewer number like that you see in this data set, you can simply put the number over here. But if you have a large data set, then you can use count function, COUNT, enter, and select the numbers. Now close the bracket for standard deviation, again close the bracket for SQRT function, and lastly close the bracket for count function and press enter, and there you go. So the standard error has been calculated for this data set, and this comes out to be 2.08. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.